Hello, this is a short video to show you how to access your results via your online account. To access your results, you should log in to your online account. You will automatically be taken to the home page. To access your results, you should go down to the examination section on the left-hand side. You will then be taken to this screen. This screen will show you any qualifications that you have taken. Under the description column, it will give you the title of the qualification, and under the grade description column, it will give you the grade achieved. If you are using your mobile phone or tablet, you may have a minimized screen and not be able to view all this information. If this is the case, you should export using one of the following options. You will then be able to view all the information on the screen. If you have any issues or any queries regarding this, please email exams@nwrc.ac.uk. Thank you.